Welcome to our tutorial about string functions. As you've probably guessed, string functions work with strings. The string function CHR returns a character associated with a specified character code. This function works with the ASCII standard. ASCII is an acronym standing for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII character coding is based on the English alphabet. It's a way to represent text in computer communication equivalent, numbers. For example, the number 65 represents the uppercase letter A. The number 97 represents the lowercase letter a. Let's run our program and see how it works. When I enter the number 65, an uppercase A is returned to me as the result. If I enter 97, a lowercase a is my result. Let's close our application and return to our code. The next string function I'm going to review is the lcase function. This function returns a string of characters converted to lowercase. Let's close our application and return to our code. The next example of a string function is string reverse. This returns a string in reverse order. Let's close our application. The last example I'm going to review in this segment returns the number of characters in a string. Let's check it out. 4. We close our application. And this concludes our tutorial about string functions.